Unlock exclusive rewards and streamline your gaming experience by linking your Ubisoft account to Brawlhalla. Why Euro? Let's get started. First, launch Brawlhalla on your preferred platform, whether that's PC, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, or even mobile. Next, navigate to the settings menu. This is usually found by clicking on the gear icon at the bottom of the screen in the main menu. Within the settings menu, look for a tab or section labeled Account Linking, Ubisoft Connect, or something similar. It might be under Extras or Options. Select the Connect button. A prompt will appear, directing you to log into your Ubisoft account. Input your Ubisoft username and password when prompted. You may be redirected to a Ubisoft website or an in-game overlay to authorize the connection. Carefully review the permissions being requested and then click Authorize or Allow. Once authorized, you should receive a confirmation message both on screen in Brawlhalla and potentially via email from Ubisoft, indicating that your account is successfully linked. Now, enjoy the rewards.